1, 3. You ready, boy?
I'm ready.
1. Go.
How come you always start quicker than me? Don't step on my car. Wow. I'm concentrating. Slows down a lot if you hit the grass. Don't stomp my. I'm gonna pass you. Oh, it's over, Johnny. It's over, Johnny. I'm gonna win this time. I'm concentrating. All right. Today we got in the mail a very special treat. These are a couple of RC cars, remote control cars. Let's take a peek inside and see what we got. We certainly have it nicely packaged. So exciting. Love unboxing these things. Toys. Oh, look at that. They give you the batteries, and they're rechargeable batteries as well. That's nice. All right. Well, they have good aftercare service, so if something's wrong, I'm guessing they'll send you another one if it breaks or whatnot like that. Oh, you know what? It might be different colors. This one here's a yellow one. I'll have to we'll have to get him involved in this to choose which one. Here's the remote. All right. These are real rubber tires. They're nice little guys. So I'm guessing that we're going to need to charge these guys. And so this is going to be the battery pack, obviously, for the car. A little open button. Let's unscrew it. Oh, look at that. They have on the bottom, they have a balancing for, like, if it's off. If it's, you know, the, what do they call it? Alignment is off, you can adjust the alignment. That's kind of cool. So it's just, as far as I can tell, yeah, it's not going to take 2 batteries, so it's just 1 battery. They give you an extra one so you can charge it, I guess, and if you go to the park or whatever, you know, you have another battery ready to plug in. So that's cool. And then let's see, we got to put these batteries that they give you, it's really nice of them, in the remote. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in and get them charged, and then we'll get busy. These are pretty cool cars. They have nice rims. They got cool lights we saw. We'll show those at night, but right now it's just time to get busy, right, E? How fast does it go?
Pretty fast.
Dang, it does go fast, E. Whoa!
Should we let Brady out here to taste it?
Yeah, but, whoa!
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do something.
Alright, wait, can you guys race? Let's see who's faster.
Why?
I don't know. Because if your mom beats you in a RC car race, we can make fun of you for a while.
I'm in position. I'm in position.
It's... Okay. Okay. Wait, is mom gonna start it? Wait.
Start it.
Wait. Mom!
Mom, count down.
It's all the way to the grass, okay, E?
Wait, all...
You gotta start it. Go. Oh no.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I'm gonna win. Let's just stand here.
1, 2, go.
You have a better reaction time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm a better driver. I'm a better driver. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. Oh. Wait, cheater. This dumb camera keeps falling off my head. Oh. What? All right, come back. All right, he beat me. I completely give up. I keep crashing. And I can't keep up with a car. Oh my goodness. I had too many Big Macs today. All right, let's race back. And this one's for real. I'm not gonna play. Really racing back.
And how fair you flip-flops?
Well, you want to? I would let you wear them.
I'm in pain right now.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said wear flip-flops. Just for everybody knows. Oh boy, I hope I have this on. I have it aiming right.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. All right, this time I'm gonna go for real.
Okay.
All right, you start.
3. You ready, boy?
I'm ready.
1. Go.
How come you always start quicker than me? Don't step on my car. Oh! I'm concentrating. Slows down a lot if you hit the grass.
Oh.
Don't stomp my. I'm gonna pass you. Oh, it's over, Johnny. It's over, Johnny. I'm gonna win this time. I'm concentrating. Oh no! Please, can you carry me? What are you gonna do? Okay. Yeah, but you gotta catch him. I'm gonna go interfere. Oh! You have to do it gentle. Oh, I give up. I can't catch him.
Lasts a long time.
They're gonna be.
Here, use this.
Everybody's gonna be making fun of me
Why?
because I'm breathing deep.
Oh, honey, you shouldn't do that.
They love to make fun of me for breathing. I'm out of shape. I can't help it.
I feel weird without walking the dog.
Well, you should have brought.
I know. I feel like, why am I walking without a dog?
That thing is fast. Look at it go.
How far did he go? He had no shoes.
All the way to the second poop station.
And are your feet hurting?
Nah. It's just rough. I guess I gotta give him the victory. He won. It wasn't even close. Well, I concede. You definitely defeated us. Your mom tried it and she couldn't do it either. You can see the lights even here. I don't know if they can see the lights. If they can see the lights. Can you guys see the lights? It's actually on the inside of the rim. Look at that. We're gonna do it at night.
Pop. Hey, Bob, you want me to do a magic trick?
What?
Where I snap my fingers and it turns night.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right, now turn it back on again. Because everybody's probably getting nervous. Go ahead and turn it back on.
Yay.
Get it, Brady. Look. He don't care. There you go. He so doesn't. He's just not a predator.
I think he's just peeing his... There, now we have some space.
Alright, come on. Why do you gotta always be loud? Shush. Alright, you're gonna annoy everybody. Alright. Shush. That is cool.
You can see it.
That is really neat.
Pretty sick when you remember the treadmill. But it would be real cool if we went outside.
Oh, I know. We should go outside and play with it
But
in the dark time.
we got some things to do.
Well, we have to finish your math. What are you looking at?
Okay.
God, that thing's fast. And you know, we still haven't charged the battery from the original charge. That battery holds a charge forever.
He's just staring. You have a nice dog. Let's see if you can.
Stop. Oh, come on. Oh, and this is the one that got eaten by Loki, right?
Yeah.
It held up. Ow.
Gotta keep going back. What if we put it on the bed? Let's see. What does the pit bull just do?
They just think you're annoying. No, hey, don't be mean.
He just wants to know what's
He's
doing.
a good boy. Oops, I'm sorry. I accidentally poked him in the eye.
Lyle Brady.
He wants to go to bed.
No.
Thinks you're annoying and he thinks Loki's annoying.